What days do eggs hate the most? Friday. Hey guys, how are you doing? If it is morning wherever you are, before cracking an egg for breakfast, watch this video. Eggs are superfoods, but in any food category like vegetables, dairy, spices, etc., some food items may not really go well with them, or not on the other hand, change the whole egg game. Today, I'm going to unpack the whole thing for you. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, let's talk about some do's and don'ts. Vegetables do's. Some vitamins and components like in veggies like vitamin E and lutein can only be absorbed with fats. And what do eggs have a good amount of? Fats. So, if you want to have veggies with your eggs, consider these. Number 1. Spinach. You can easily make spinach with your scrambled eggs to make an iron and vitamin-rich breakfast. Number 2. Green onions. Except for adding flavor and fragrance to the simple eggs, they're really nutritious as well. Number 3. Peppers. Whether you prefer bell peppers or zesty jalapenos, you can have them with eggs without a single worry. Vegetables don'ts. Some veggies may not be great options to eat with eggs, like number 1. Soy and soy milk. Soy and soy milk is a great source of protein. By eating them with eggs, you might consume too much protein, which will make the digestion process a little challenging for the stomach. Number 2. Tea. Lots of folks enjoy eggs with their tea, but having them together can decrease how much protein your body takes in from the eggs. This combo could also cause issues like gas, acidity, and digestion problems. Second, dairy. Dairy do's. Number 1. Butter. People often use butter when they're cooking eggs, whether they're frying, scrambling, or making an omelet. It gives the eggs a rich and indulgent flavor and keeps them from sticking to the pan. Number 2. Cheese. Cheese is a great match for eggs and comes in different forms like shreds, slices, and crumbles. Cheddar, Swiss, feta, and goat cheese are popular choices because they add a creamy texture and tasty flavor that goes well with eggs. Number 3. Sour cream. You can top your eggs with sour cream, especially in dishes like scrambled eggs or breakfast burritos. It gives a tangy kick and makes them extra creamy. Dairy don'ts. Number 1. Don't have overpowering cheese flavors. And number 2, don't drink raw milk and raw egg together. Third, meat and grains. Typically, it's bacon or sausage that pairs well with eggs, but any type of ground meat like beef, chicken, or lamb will also go great with eggs. Also, you can have any kinds of bread with eggs. And now, I want to tell you about healthy ways you can have your eggs. Number 1. If you're trying to cut back on calories, choose poached or boiled eggs. Number 2. If you're frying stuff in a pan, go for avocado oil or sunflower oil, because they maintain stability at elevated temperatures and resist oxidation, preventing the formation of harmful free radicals. Number 3. Use nutritious eggs like pasteurized and organic eggs. Caged and conventionally produced eggs are not recommended. I also want to tell you about things you should avoid when eating eggs. Number 1. You can eat eggs with pretty much anything, but some combos might not taste great or be super healthy. Like having eggs with a big fatty meal might not be the best idea for your health. Number 2. People usually don't pair eggs with spicy foods, certain strong flavored fruits, or foods that might overpower the gentle taste of eggs. For instance, Things like hot peppers or very strong cheese may not go well with eggs. Also, it's crucial to cook eggs thoroughly to avoid getting sick from any potential bacteria. Before getting to the next part, remember to like the video and also subscribe to be with us throughout our health journey. Done? Let's continue. Eating eggs with some certain components may also cause certain illnesses. I searched about it and it goes as follows. Number 1. Tyramine. This substance is found in fermented, aged, or spoiled items. When these foods are eaten with eggs, it can raise the chance of getting migraines for some people. Number 2. Purines. Eating foods rich in purines like organ meats, anchovies, herring, and sardines, along with eggs, can heighten the risk of gout for certain people. Number 3. Histamine. Some foods that are fermented or gone bad have histamine, a substance that can cause allergies. When you eat these foods with eggs, it can make allergic reactions more likely for some people. This happens because histamine can trigger allergies, and when it mixes with other allergens like eggs, the reaction can be stronger. Number 4. Lactose. If someone has trouble with lactose, they should skip eating eggs with dairy foods like milk, cheese, cream, or yogurt. Mixing them can lead to stomach issues for these people. Lactose intolerance means the body struggles to digest lactose, the sugar in dairy, which can cause discomfort. Combining eggs with dairy might worsen these effects. That's it for today's video. We hope this video has inspired you not to only enjoy eggs in your daily meals, but also to further explore their diverse uses and benefits. Whether you're a chef experimenting with new recipes, a health enthusiast seeking nutritious options, or simply someone who appreciates good food, eggs offer something for everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with your loved ones. Until next time, goodbye!